Okay.
So I'm gonna try making omurice today. We're going to use the Kichi Kichi recipe, the really famous guy from Kyoto, Japan, which is just eggs and salt. I'm gonna prepare the egg mixture and we're gonna give it a couple tries. This is my first time making it, so please don't judge me too harshly, I guess. Yeah.
But
I'm remixing the brown and the white, like Naswell and Scott.
yes, sir.
Dude, I'm so bad.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
I messed
remember
up.
you doing the fourth one.
Right? He used the whole egg, I'm pretty sure, so.
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks right. He said in the video they say that he
Don't whisk it up too much, or
no, he sifts it. He sifts
sniffs it.
Sifts it.
Oh, sifts it.
So sniffing the eggs will give you superpowers. This is sound of your mom's pussy.
Like eyeball. Try to eyeball like half of it.
Half of it?
Yeah. Well, you gotta be okay. Get ready. Like I feel like once you pour the egg in, you gotta start like doing
Right,
everything. I don't know. I don't
I'm
know.
so nervous.
I don't know.
Alright, give me a second. I need to... Okay. Okay.
You gotta be ready.
I'm ready.
I feel like you need something more.
You think I need more?
I feel like you do.
Oh shoot, I definitely need more. Oh no!
Okay, you can put the whole. Okay, yeah, that should be good. That should be good. It's turning into scrambled eggs.
Oh no!
Oh, that looks like scrambled eggs. See, that's why I get so interesting when they say you have to do really high heat, because I'm like, it cooks hella fast. Eggs cook hella fast.
Oh my gosh, I fucked up.
Oh! Wait, maybe something, you could get something out of this.
That was so fucked. I don't know if I can...
At least the color looks the same.
Oh, I fucked up, no. Oh, where do we put the failures then? Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's done, it's done.
It's okay, I'll eat it.
It's done, no! Alright, we gotta try again.
Okay.
We gotta redo. Alright, we can stop recording until we have the next trial one.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay, I think this is a good video that shows it. So see, he mixes in... Oh, yeah. Then he does it so fast. Damn.
I see, so it has to be fast.
Wait, like, but if you look at the beginning, right? He gets the edges. And he mixes the whole thing.
Oh, and then he starts turning it in right away.
Yeah. Yeah, see, all of that happens so fast. Maybe the heat does have to be high.
Yeah, like super high.
Yeah, that's what I'm guessing.
Okay. We're using more eggs. We're using a smaller pan. And we're gonna be using a spatula instead. It's the amateur cook handicap. No!
Okay, I'm ready whenever you want.
I'm gonna move these eggs to the side just in case I get a good one.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm gonna
so... This is attempt number... 2.
Attempt number 2.
Yes, sir. We got
Alright,
this.
I'll let you know when the... I feel like that pan is already hot enough.
Yeah. You
Alright.
good, you good. Oh yeah, remember he like takes it on and off the. Actually, I don't know.
On and off the heat, yeah. Okay, let's go for it.
Oh yeah, that looks good. I think. Yeah, get the edges.
I feel like there's something I'm doing wrong.
For some reason, it keeps on turning into scrambled.
Is it? Oh no!
Is it the pan? Do you think? I don't know.
Look, it's like I can see it forming. You see?
Oh.
Maybe I don't use enough egg, but I can kind of like. Oh. See, like it. Oh my gosh. Oh. No, it's already overcooked now.
Ooh, nice.
Oh.
What?
Dude, it's so close. I could kind of like see it forming, you know? It's like maybe a little bit more heat for it to move. Maybe something like that. I don't know, bro. Oh, it's so hard. Bro, it's so hard, Dad. It's so hard.
Yeah, it does not look easy at all.
Oh my gosh.
It's so interesting how they did the whole thing using chopsticks.
Dude, I feel like maybe I'm using the wrong pan.
Maybe. You think so?
It's so hard, dude. Yes, dude, it's so hard.
Maybe because it's... Yeah, is that non-stick? I don't know. Should we try using this? Do you have a smaller pan?
Yeah, I do. Okay. I'm gonna give it one last try.
Alright.
Before I run out of eggs.
Yeah, sounds good.
I'm gonna try a different pan.
Okay.
See, this is... Yeah, it's too thick. I think it needs to be hella hot. I think the pan needs to be
really?
hella hot, yeah.
Really?
I think if it's not hella hot, then it's not gonna like give you that... Okay. Uno mas. I used hella egg this time. Hella hot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks hella hot to me. Okay. Where are my choppers?
Yeah, get everything set up. Oh, what happened to the old choppers?
I tossed them away because
Oh,
I used them to mix the raw egg. Okay. Okay, here we go.
Alright, here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. Wait for the pan to heat up. You hear that? Fuck is
Yeah, what is that? Is that like water?
I think it's like you see, it's like burning old food or something.
Oh, what the? Oh, I don't know about that pan. Just kidding, I don't know.
Okay, that pan is hella hot.
Okay.
Should I go for it, bro?
Yeah.
All right.
Go ahead. Alright, start mixing. So yeah, get the edges, get the edges.
Do I get them yet or no?
I don't know. Use your judgment.
I don't get them yet.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe get the edges. Get the edges.
Not yet, not yet. I feel like it's not
okay,
cooked
fine.
yet.
Okay, you do it. You do it.
Okay.
Oh, that was nice.
I feel like it's still not there. Yeah, it's still not there. Okay. Yeah. In a little bit. Oh! Oh, it's fine, it's fine. We go.
Wait, why did it turn off? Looks good. Start doing the arm thing. I don't know.
Maybe more heat on the edge. No. Oh my god, Dad, I'm so close. Oh my god. Oh my god, it was so close.
No!
Oh my god. How do I do this, bro? Oh.
Yeah, keep doing it.
Oh.
It'll keep getting in shape if you keep doing it.
Oh my god, that was the closest one, bro.
No! Oh, you gave up already? No!
Bro, it's overcooked, bro. It's overcooked.
Oh.
That was so close, bro. Do you see how close it got?
Yeah.
Bro, no. Now I'm out of eggs, bro. No.
What are we gonna do?
Dude, another day. Oh my god.
Alright, well, let me take a closer look at the results. So,
Maybe I cut it open. I'll cut it open anyways.
okay.
I'll cut it open anyways.
So, these are all of the attempts, and this is the most recent one.
Okay, ready?
Okay. I don't think anything's gonna happen, but let's try. Oh, wait. Fold it off. It's not runny enough.
Oh, it's so close, bro.
It's, yeah, overcooked, yeah.
Looks like your mama's pussy.
Damn. Damn. What? This looks like it? Okay.
Okay. Okay. This will not be my last attempt. Mark my words. Mark them. I'm so sad, dude. That's so bad. I'm so sad, Dan. I'm so sad. So sad. What a waste of egg. I love egg. Dude, what a waste of egg, Dan. I'm so sad.
You can feed it to your family tomorrow.
That's breakfast.